both seem decently hard. I'm probably gonna go dunk them in water, and then I'll do proper tempering. It's gonna be a tool that gets used a ton. And these are our handle blanks. What we're gonna do to get these roughly shaped is we're gonna throw them over in the lathe, just in the spindles there, and get them turning around. We'll turn them to a rough shape. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave them oval or like round, or if I'm gonna try and make them kinda a bit more like this. I'll probably octagonalize them. Maybe I'll do a ball at the end, I don't know. Some decorative shit. So you guys see basically the entire process there. We threw these on the lathe, got them turned around, sanded them up to 400 grit. So now for a finish, we use this. It's not actually Danish oil. Find a rag to apply it with anywhere. It's actually a blend, because if you go with the straight Danish oil on something that's gonna get used, you'll basically just wear it right off the handle, which kind of defeats the purpose of using a finish. So what I started doing was basically taking pure tongue oil, cutting it about 60-40 tongue to Danish oil. And I like it really well, actually. It seems like, ow, that fucking hurt. Get that out of the way. It seems like you get a bit of the thickness, like the film, kind of plasticiness of the tongue oil, but you also get a finish that actually dries pretty quickly, like the Danish oil does. Presumably because the Danish oil has a whole bunch of dryers in it, and by mixing the two, you're essentially just adding the expensive ingredient to the finish. The one that they usually skimp on. In favor of like cheap solvents and stuff. That's a nice piece of wood. I gotta get better lighting for you guys. Grab your tang, get everything aligned.